What can make the crypto market soar, take off again, and when? Those are the two questions that I'm going to answer for you in this video. I've got a very interesting take scenario to share with you, one that you're probably not familiar with and probably, quite frankly, not really on your radar. And this is coming from a very good source. And I definitely wanted to share this with you. I've definitely felt that this was worth a video. So with that said, as always, if you're new to me, hit that subscribe button below. Please drop a like. And if you're watching this on Twitter, please give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. I have one goal. It's to help you make more money in crypto and navigate crypto better and just be more and better and well-informed. More and better, well-informed. Yeah, that was kind of right. My English teacher probably would have said that's not the right way to say that, Austin. All right, so let's get into this. So when is the crypto market going to soar, and or why? Those are kind of interchangeable. Okay, so we're going to look at the event that is definitely one that I agree with, that is out there. And again, this is probably not on your radar. Okay, so let me share with this. So billionaire Mike Novogratz, who, if you don't know who he is, I'm going to tell you who he is in a minute, says one massive catalyst will send crypto off to the races. And I agree with this catalyst as well. So Mike Novogratz is the Galaxy Digital CEO and founder. Okay. And so the catalyst is the Federal Reserve. Now, it's not in the context of what you're thinking of. It is the Fed. If you're not familiar with the Fed, they are the government organization here in the United States that controls the base interest rate, the base lending rate, et cetera. They've been raising interest rates for now a year and a half plus to combat, obviously, the raging inflation that has been in the States for years now, et cetera. Okay. So Mike predicts, and I agree with Mike in this context, he's predicting that the Federal Reserve will start cutting interest rates in October after having raised them since last March to lower inflation. And it is the cutting of interest rate that is the key catalyst that he's saying is set to be, the ignition, if you will, to just propel crypto forward dramatically and kind of moving on. So he goes on to say that the Fed's rate cut will likely send Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies soaring. Rate cuts, and you're like, well, what does this matter? Here you go. Rate cuts inject liquidity into the financial markets, and a surge in market cash flow has historically fueled crypto rallies. Now, conversely, associated with this will also help the stock market and the overall financial markets as well. And here's a quote per Mike. I think what is going to happens. We'll see a real slowdown in the second half of the year. The Fed will be cutting rates by October, and crypto is going to be off to the races. He believes that the Fed will have to start cutting interest rates because of the impact of high interest rates on the U.S. economy, right? And we've seen this. The high interest rates have been the part of the reason for some of the bank failures that we had last month and things like that. And if they continue to raise them, then we're going to continue to see more damage in the banking sector and things like that. And also more damage to personal credit debt loads or debt burdens are at an all-time high now, quite frankly, because, inflation makes basically there's less, you have your dollars they don't go as far, and people living paycheck to paycheck are having to incur more debt, things of that nature. Now, with all that said, if we get, instead of an interest rate hike in October, we start to get them to cut, that will be our major event. So there you go. There's the answer to the question. Interest rate cuts instead of hikes. That's the catalyst. Number two, when? October. That's what we're looking at. Now, final thought here. We are set for a June 14th FOMC, Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, and they most likely will be raising the rate probably a quarter basis point. We don't know, but that's out there as well. So just stay tuned for more info. But there you go. Hope you have a great day. Go make some money. I'll see you.